Okay, welcome guys, WP Kitchen Tech. So today I'm going to fix the Hager brand electrical control board. I'm going to fix and I'm going to make. So today I'm going to explain how is this fix. So okay, wait my channel and subscribe my channel and like and share in this video for the people. So right, shall we go how this fix this one? So can show you one by one. And this like a Hager I ordered this one. This is the ABC box, the casing box. So right, so this one have a PVC and metal, so I ordered only metal box. Right, this one is a little bit expensive. So right, so okay, shall we go to the open this one. So like this can open. So right, and both side have a nails. First I want to open this one. So like this, and both side have the nails. So then right, so now we can take it out this cover. Right, okay, we'll keep it the one side this panel cover. So okay, and we see the inside what they have. So we have the plastic casing cover for the in this one. This is the bus bar, so it's separate, so it's already fixed this one, the bus bar, so it's good. So why is sometimes we need to separately buy this the bus bar. So now they already fixed this one. So right, so this is the 12-way, this 12-way ABC box. So we can see the instructions. So is that this here showing here which one to assemble consumer unit with one row 40 meter 40 it's a 12-way outgoing surface. Right, so like this is showing the all information here, so it is easy. Okay, that's right. Now we can go to fix this one and the left right too, and the right side. So left to right, left to right. So we can go and fix this one and this first. So actually I'm going to fix this RCCB and the 63 amperes, right? So then need to here come the MCCB and cut circuit breaker. So that one is this is the 2 pole, right? The single phase. Okay, right, and this corner I'm fixing for, and so here, so like this, right, so like this. Okay, right, like this going to fix. So because this is the face, right, so like this we're going to fix this one by one. So like this, the first channel. So one, easy, very easy. So start the two, number three, number four, number five, and number six. So right, like this. If you want to in this channel, so because I'm not using this one, but I have only 6 channel, right? So in my wiring only have six channels. So because this one it's we can leave it like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you want to 6 channel, so more 6 channel you can fix here, right? Okay, this is the earth bar, right? This earth bar, and this is the neutral bar. So everything, so we can now tie it one by one this all nights. So right, and this one for the live circuits, right? So then you can take it the output in here. So everything right, so it's okay. Let's see how to go into next step. Right, this is the old system. For today I'm going to update this one for the new system. So right, Okay, just I will remove everything. So right, this is the old one.